In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uncheck all checkboxes in Notion. If you've been checking off lots of to-dos in Notion and now want to reset everything back to unchecked, the process is simple and reliable. Notion uses checkboxes in two common places: as to-do blocks inside regular pages and as a checkbox property inside databases, like task tables or boards. In both cases, the core action is exactly the same. To uncheck an item, click directly on the checkbox itself. You don't need to open a menu or select the text. A single click on the box will remove the checkmark instantly. Start on the page or database where your checked items live. Move your mouse over a checked box and click it once to toggle it off. The box will switch from filled to empty, confirming it's now unchecked. Continue this same click to toggle action for each item you want to reset. If your goal is to uncheck all of them, simply work your way down the list or through the view, clicking each checked box to clear it. This keeps your content intact while resetting the completion state. Here are a few pointers to make this go faster and prevent mistakes. You can skim the page visually and focus only on the boxes that have a checkmark. Clicking the box itself is more precise than clicking the line of text. If you misclick and accidentally recheck something, just click again to clear it. On mobile, a single tap on the checkbox does the same thing, so you can rapidly tap through your completed items to reset them. If you're working in a database, you can make the cleanup easier by showing your completed items together. Sort or group by the checkbox property so checked ones appear in the same section. Then click each checked box to uncheck it. This doesn't change the action you take. It simply puts all the checked items in one place, which can save time. If you find you can't toggle a box, make sure the page isn't locked and that you have edit access to the workspace. Also, expand any toggles or sub-items so the checkboxes you want are visible and clickable. That's all there is to it. Unchecking all checkboxes in Notion is just a matter of clicking each one to toggle it off, whether you're in a simple page or a database view. Work from top to bottom, group or sort if needed to bring checked items together, and you'll have everything reset in no time.